Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to check whether your computer uses an HDD or an SSD. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech tips and tutorials. Now, let's begin. First, go to the search box on your Windows taskbar and type Defragment and Optimize Drives. Click to open it. Once the window opens, you'll see a list of all your drives. Look at the media type. If it says solid-state drive, that means your drive is an SSD. If it says hard disk drive, then your drive is an HDD. So in our case, all of our drive is SSD, means solid disk drive. That's it. This is how you can easily check your drive type in just a few seconds. SSDs are much faster than HDDs and help your system boot quicker, open apps faster, and improve overall performance. Also, remember that SSDs don't need traditional defragmentation. Windows automatically optimizes them in a different way. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.